At LAPP, we know the way to the future. In an increasingly interlinked world, intelligent connections are more important than ever, turning an industrial communications network into the central nervous system for factory control. That's data communication, made by LAPP. Our extensive portfolio of data cables, connectors and switches for Ethernet and Field Bus has everything you need for your network. From a single source, in more than 40 countries. With more than 21,000 data components, we always find the best solution for you. Fast, easy, and hassle-free. As a pioneer in cable and connector technology, we turn your factory into a smart factory with intelligent integration of your hardware, ensuring that information is always available exactly where it is needed. Our cables remain flexible and durable, even in rough production environments and under high stress. For complex processes in robotics applications or for use in drag chains. Maximum data rates sent at high speed. So your machines can communicate every single second. And you can respond directly. Our range of products is your shortcut to more efficient production and greater productivity. With more than 50 years' experience, you can rely on our innovations. We offer a full range of components for your data and power supplies, customized to your needs. Thanks to our expertise, you can sit back and fully focus on your core business. We provide all-round, carefree service worldwide. So you can stay agile, just like your production, and respond to future requirements flexibly.
1, 0.
Let's build your success together and stay connected to the future with LAPP.